Hi, this is Carla from DIY Happy Home. I was at the Dollar Tree and I thought I would give you guys a tour of what they had at my Dollar Tree. This was actually two Dollar Trees. And excuse my crazy camera work. My husband was making fun of me for for videoing everything. But I thought I'd give you guys a tour, and then I did purchase some things, so stay tuned to my channel. I will be following up with a Dollar Tree haul shortly. They have some of the cutest things here. Look at these cute little tins. They're adorable. And then they have, I think these are new. They're felt ornaments. They have a stocking, snowman, and a tree. And then they have large felt ornament kits. And then cute little stickers. And then the foam sheets for crafts, tons of ribbons, and little stickers. Oh, these are so cute. The little felt stickers. And then I'm getting one of these for wreaths. I'm getting Merry and Bright to put in a wreath. And tons of ribbon down here. And little embellishment kits. My favorite ornaments that they had this year are the owls. They had three different ones. One that had like a jute twine, one that was a white owl, and the other one had a red and black check buffalo plaid. I think they would look really cute on a Christmas wreath. And those red trucks there are adorable as well. And aren't these campers adorable? 2 for $1. So cute. If sparkly is your thing, they had tons of white, silver, and gold sparkly ornaments that would be great if that is your theme. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to my channel for my Dollar Tree haul. Bye!